This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying your Google account and enabling two-step verification. This protects monetization and live streaming. Once done, open YouTube Studio on a desktop browser and create or select your channel. You should add a clear channel name, profile image, and concise description now, because those elements determine first impressions and search relevance. Make sure to link your social profiles and set a business contact email before you move to branding and content structure. Next, you focus on branding and content structure so viewers find and trust your channel. Upload a banner optimized for 16:9 and design thumbnails with consistent typography. This increases click-through rate. Once you have 3 uploads, organize them into playlists and set channel sections on the homepage to guide new visitors. Then configure channel keywords, default upload settings, and enable advanced features like end screens and cards, so every upload follows your optimized template. Finally, you prepare for publishing and monetization by checking eligibility and applying when you meet thresholds. This unlocks ads, memberships, and more. Schedule uploads, add chapters and accurate captions, and choose targeted tags to aid discovery. Once live, monitor analytics and iterate on thumbnails and titles. If something breaks, streaming errors, monetization denials, or missing features, clear browser cache, verify account details, and review community guidelines. Contact support only after these steps so you can provide precise info.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.